This is the Our Generation Gourmet Kitchen. It's a kitchen that comes with so many different accessories. It has so many tiny little details and touches to it. It has a working, well, not working, but it looks like a real life fridge with a little ice machine and a little freezer. It comes with tons of different food and items to put it in. It even has a dishwasher, some storage here. It has a sink, a little clock with storage or microwave. It comes with tons and tons of food. I was trying to set it up all, but there was just so much. It was taking forever, but I tried to put some of the items that they have here. It has little knobs. It comes with like muffins, cupcakes, cookies. It's like basically a whole like baking set, along with it flour, the ingredients, little jars, a phone. So it really is like a real little kitchen. It's for the 18-inch dolls. So you could put a little baker hat on it, on your little doll, and play chef. So it's a great set that I would highly recommend.